everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're jetting off to the incredible Morocco, a land of vibrant culture, mouth-watering food, and stunning scenery. But before you pack your bags and hop on that plane, there are a few things to keep in mind to ensure a smooth and respectful adventure. Welcome to our crash course in Moroccan etiquette. Let's dive right in and get you prepared for an unforgettable experience in this beautiful country. Forgetting your manners can be a big no-no in Morocco. Respect is deeply ingrained in Moroccan culture, and it starts with a simple greeting.
Salam, shukran.
A simple greeting goes a long way. Public displays of affection are best kept private in Morocco. The country leans on the conservative side, so it's a good idea to keep those moments of affection subtle and respectful. Flashing the flesh. We all love the idea of rocking a swimsuit by the pool, don't we? But in Morocco, it's important to dress modestly, especially when visiting mosques, markets, and other religious sites.
Whispers, long skirts, loose shirts.
These are great options to ensure you're respecting local customs while still staying comfortable. Shoes inside. In Morocco, it's customary to remove your shoes before entering mosques, some restaurants, and definitely when stepping into someone's home. This simple act shows respect for the cleanliness and sanctity of these spaces. Haggling too harshly. Bargaining in Moroccan markets is part of the fun. But remember, it's important to be respectful and offer fair prices. Enjoy the experience, but don't push too hard. It's all about finding that perfect balance. Eating with your left hand. Well, let's talk about that for a moment. In Morocco, it's customary to eat with your right hand. This tradition is deeply rooted in the culture and it's considered more polite. So if you're ever unsure, just follow the lead of the locals. They know best. Here's a pro tip. Pointing with your finger is considered rude in Morocco. Instead, use an open hand gesture. It's a small change, but it shows a lot of respect for the local customs. Public drinking during Ramadan. Ramadan is the holy month when Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset, so it's important to be respectful and avoid eating or drinking in public during this time. Taking photos without permission. Politeness is key here. Always ask before taking photos of people, especially in rural areas or religious sites. Disrespecting the royal family. The king holds a special place in Moroccan culture. It's crucial to behave respectfully when discussing the royal family. There you have it. With a little cultural awareness, you're ready to have an amazing adventure in Morocco. Remember, these don't do's are all about experiencing the beauty of Moroccan culture with an open mind and open heart. Now get out there and explore.